Hello KG2, good morning. I welcome you to this class of English where we are going to learn A sound words. A. What did I teach you yesterday? The same I am going to repeat. Okay. And first of all, write your names in the discussion box. And share me the pics of your work that you had done yesterday, or if you will do it today also, then also you can share the pic. Okay. So what was the thing that we did yesterday? It was A sound words. A. 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 So KG2, let me write it first here that what did we do yesterday? It was A sound words. A and I together say A. A and I together say A. A and I together say A. It's a long A sound. It's a long A sound. Okay. So, class KG2, we are going to read a little and then write a little. So, first of all, let us read it. Then I will tell you what you have to write in the notebook. As yesterday, I have given you 3 words, that is rain, train, nail. Okay. So, let us start today's work. So, we are learning A sound words. A. And letters in this sound are A, I. A, I. A, I together say A. 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 इसको बार बार बोलकर प्रैक्टिस करनी है. A. A. And E together say A. Okay. Now let us start. R. A. N. Ray. R. A. N. Ray. Next is P. A. N. Pain. P. A. N. Pain. Next is T. A. N. Tail. T. A. N. Tail. Next is M. A. N. May. M. A. N. May. And the last is Br. A. N. Brain. Br. A. N. Brain. So let us revise the words again. R. A. N. Rain. P. A. N. Pain. T. A. L. Tail. M. A. L. Male. Br. A. N. Brain. Okay. So, what we are learning? We are learning A sound words. We are learning A sound words. A and I together say A. A. T. A. T. T. A. T. M. A. May. M. A. May. Br. A. N. Brain. Br. A. Brain. Br. A. Brain. Now the next is Ch. C and H together say Ch. A. Chain. Ch. A. Chain. So this is A sound words. A. This is A sound words. And A-I together say A. A and I together say A. Now next. Late. Late. Sp. A. Spain. Sp. A. Spain. J. A. Jane. J. A. Jane. G. A. Gain. G. A. Gain. A. Say. A. Say. A. Name. Now one more time, KG2. Let us read it one more time. L. A. D. Late. Sp. A. Spain. J. A. Jane. G. A. Gain. S. A. Sane. A. Nail. So, have you revised it? Now the next is what we are learning? We are learning A sound words. A. We are learning A sound words. The last two words on the sheet are, it is F. A. Fade. F. A. Fade. P. A. D. Paid. P. A. D. Paid. Okay? So, KG2, excuse me. This was your oral of A sound words. This was the oral of A sound words, and now we are going to write in the notebook. What we are going to do? We are going to write in the notebook. So open your notebook fast. Yesterday we wrote 3 words. Rain, train, name. Rain, train, name. Okay, now the new word will be number 4. You have to take out the same page on which you wrote yesterday. जिस नोटबुक में लिखे थे वही नोटबुक फिर से निकालेंगे. Okay? So let me take out my notebook. मेरी नोटबुक कहाँ है? It is here. My notebook. Yes, it's here. So we are learning A sound words. A. We are learning A sound words. KG2 I am doing it again and again so that आपको ये लर्न हो जाए. ठीक है, आपको भी कभी भी ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, लाइक वी सिंग सॉन्ग्स. हम गाना कोई बोलता है तब थोड़ी गाते हैं. वी सिंग इट whenever we want. Likewise, you can practice the words whenever you like. Okay, so it should be in your practice as you sing song, as you repeat rhymes, as you repeat the things that you have heard that you like to say again and again. Likewise, I want you to read all these words orally. Okay, practice these words orally. Now, KG2, take out your notebook and put number 4 after number 3. जहाँ number 3 था, उसके बाद number 4 आएगा. Okay. So put number 4. Put number 4. Okay. And a simple picture of a chain is there where you have to just make circles in a sequence. Circle, 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 circle. Just you have to make circles. Okay. And what is this? This is a chain. This is a chain. And color it. Chain. What is this? Chain. Circle, 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 circle in a sequence. This is chain. Okay. And what is the spelling of chain? It is Ch-A-M. Ch-A-M. So the spelling of circle is Ch-A-M. Chain. And give 5 blanks. Ch-A-M. Chain. After writing number 4, you should leave one line. एक line leave करना है. And what is number 5? Number 5 is tail. So I am just making the back of any animal ऐसे. Okay. And I am making a tail like this. Tail. 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 You have to read and write. And whenever you are drawing pictures, you should be in practice of speaking. अगर पिक्चर भी ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तब भी बोल कर कीजिए. Okay. Now what is this? This is a tail. Do you know who has tail? Who has tail? Animals and birds have tails. Animals and birds के tail होते हैं. And the spelling of tail is, see the sounds t, a, t, a, l, tail. And give 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tail. T, A, L, tail. Now number 6. At number 6, there is something which is very serious. Okay. It is a place. Okay. Have you ever heard about police? What is the work of police? Police का काम क्या होता है? What does they do? What do they do? Do you know that? Whenever any people or any person steals things, अगर कोई चोरी करता है, so police catch them and they put them in jail. So our next picture is jail. Our next picture is jail. And nobody should go to jail. किसी को भी jail नहीं जाना चाहिए. So jail. What is this? Jail. And what is the spelling of jail? It is J-A-L, jail. Number 6. J-A-L, jail. J-A-L, jail. KG2. Do you know where you have to write? आपको कौन सी लाइन में लिखना है ये आपको पता है ना? You have to write in these 3 lines only. Okay, in these 3 lines only. And this 4th line is for the tail of any letter. अगर किसी letter में tail है, जैसे J has a tail, isn't it? G has a tail, Y has a tail. तो वो जो 4th line है वो letter के tail के लिए होता है. ठीक है? Write in the first 3 lines only. So this is jail. This is jail. And you have to give 5 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay? Now what are the 3 words? The 3 words are, what are the 3 words? Chain, whose spelling is Ch-A-N, chain. So number 5 is T-A-L, tail. And number 6 is J-A-L, jail. Now I am erasing it because I have to write number 7. Number 7. Number 7 is an insect. ये एक कीड़ा है, which is called snail. And to draw snail is very easy. Just draw the body of snail like this. Okay. And face of the snail like this. Okay. As snails have antenna. So make 2 antennas like this. And make the smiley face of snail. Okay. As snails have, okay, an elevated structure on their body. So this will go like this. What is this? Snail. And above I am using ridge. This is a snail. See how snail is smiling? Snail. And what is the spelling of snail? It is sna, sna, sna. It has a s and n sound. So, sna. S, n, sna. S and N together say sna. A, snail, snow, snail. And give 5 blanks. Snow, snail. Snow, snail. Leave one line. Leave one line. And write number 8. Number 8. Do you know what I am going to draw in number 8? In number 8 I am going to draw. क्या ड्रॉ करने वाली हूँ मैं पता है? एक पैलेट ड्रॉ करने वाली हूँ. एक कलर पैलेट होता है ना? It is like a plate which has many paint. So this is my color palette. It is like a box structure and it has many paint. It has red. It has blue. It has pink. It has yellow. It has green. It has black. So this is my color palette which has many paint. Which has many paint. And do you know what is paint? Paint has two meanings. First, paint जो एक thing है, जो एक चीज है, और दूसरा paint means when we paint. जब हम paint करते हैं, that is also called paint, और in Hindi it is called रंगना. Okay, so this is my color palette with many colors. So I am going to write the spelling of paint, and it is like P-A-N-T. Okay, the spelling of paint is P-A. Be very particular, be very specific while learning spellings. जब आप spellings को सीख रहे हैं तो आपको बहुत particular और specific होना पड़ेगा, बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Am I writing correct? क्या मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ? क्या मैं सही लिख रहा हूँ? Okay. Likewise, if you will observe the things, if you will take interest, the spelling is nothing for you. KG2 में सीख लोगे, उसके बाद कभी नहीं भूलोगे. So the spelling is P-A-N-T. Paint. And give 5 blanks. 1. Here I am giving only 4 blanks, but you have to give at least 5 blanks. So the spelling of snail is, first observe the sound. पहले उसके sound को observe कीजिए. Okay, then spelling is nothing for you. Snail, snail. ain't, paint. So, KG2, this was your class of A sound words, and what you need to do, you need to practice it in your classwork notebook, and in the next class, I will come with a new sound. And let me remind you that this A sound is not in your book. ये आपकी book में नहीं है. This is the special lesson that I have prepared for you. So, KG2, that's all for today. Have a nice day.